Most people already know that scientists and geneticists working for the government have been genetically modifying your vegetables and feeding turkeys and chickens growth hormones and other drugs. Most people don't know that they're genetically modifying and experimenting with animal DNA and are crossbreeding certain animals with each other. The video I'm about to play is proof of what I'm trying to tell you. The animals in this video looks like half pig and half lizard. The animal in this video looks like a half pig and half lizard. Looks like it found a way to escape but somehow died anyway. There's no blood or wounds on the creature, but just imagine if a company found a way to create a cheaper source of meat and were grounding it up and mixed it in with your ground beef or ground pork. Watch this video. Okay, these pictures I'm showing you are creatures from Greek mythology. You may or not be familiar with these images, but you're seeing a combination of DNA mixed up in one body, creating a totally different species. The residents from the lost city of Atlantis were said to be a very advanced civilization. Their scientists and genealogists began experimenting with animal, plant, and human DNA for different purposes. They took the knowledge they were taught and the knowledge they researched and used it to create unnatural creatures. Species that weren't created by or with the love of God. That offended God, so what God did is he warned them. And he warned them of their future and told them they were violating the laws of nature. But because they were brainwashed by negative energy, they thought they were gods. So to make a long story short, God wiped out the civilization with a very powerful tsunami. Took the whole civilization and destroyed it. That's why it's called a lost city. Can't find Atlantis. They've already publicly admitted Superstorm Sandy was historic. Never in the history that we have has there ever been a more bigger, powerful storm. And Sandy could be just the beginning of stronger and more powerful natural disasters. God is warning the Illuminati and the government officials that if they continue on their path, they'll end up just like Atlantis and be destroyed. Already they publicly admitted to cloning sheep and they've experienced amazing biological breakthroughs in stem cell research, but they haven't admitted in public that they are cloning humans. It's a fact. What's opinion is the Illuminati and government officials are cloning these humans to fight secret wars with extraterrestrial beings and that they're using man-made UFOs. I know for a fact that government has man-made UFOs, and I know that they're cloning humans. I've seen spacecraft in the skies that were so far out in space that they looked like red dots and they didn't show up on my video. Although I never witnessed a space war, I do believe it's happening. Another opinion I came across is that the Illuminati will use these clones, these human clones, as overseers of the 15% after they exterminate 85% of the population. And that's a possible theory, So fact and opinion mixed up, and like I said, I've seen these little red dots in space. I mean, they're so far out there that I couldn't get them.